Hello, in this video we will add an iHost extension to automatically run our entity framework migrations. I have divided this video into several sections. First, we will clone the repository from our GitHub, then drop existing database. Take note that this database will only exist if you followed our previous video. Then I add Migrate Database functionality. Then we will finally test the code. Hi, my name is Eugene, and my mission is to spread lifelong learning. I've been into programming for more than 10 years, but now more than ever, there are more things to learn. Join me as we explore the world of programming. Right now, our focus is .NET technologies, but we are not limiting ourselves to that. There are plans to include other topics like React, React Native, and others. So please comment below for topics you would like to be included. For this video, you can get the source code from this Git repository and it will be added in the description below. In your desired folder, simply key in cmd. In command prompt, you should be in the correct directory. Just key in git clone and put the repository. You may put the alternate folder name, so customer management. So it will clone. In your folder, you should see the application folder created. In our SQL management, we just right click and then delete. Then we close existing connection if any, then just click OK. Then we just validate customer DB is gone. So now we open the application in VS Code. We can hit Ctrl tilde. Because there are 67 problems, we would like to resolve them. We will run the application first. cd API .NET watch run. Okay. The issue should be resolved because these are missing dependencies. Okay, issues resolved. The application is now running. Then we can stop first the application. Control C. Exit. Okay. Okay, now that we got rid of the errors, we close this terminal first. Go to API layer and then go to program. We will add a new extension for our host. So public static class iHost extensions, then public static iHost. We will name this as Migrate Database. This will be an extension for the iHost using var scope. So we will create a scope host.services.create scope. Then using the scope, scope, we will be creating a context. Var context equals scope dot service provider dot get required service, which will be from the data context. Okay. Lastly, from data context dot database, we will run the migrate and return host. So we resolve our dependency issue from data context. Okay, and hit save. Okay, forgot to resolve this. Okay, done. In our create host builder, we will just add this migrate database. That migrate database dot run. This should be a method. Okay. Now we'll be running the application. Control tilde. Since we're still in the API, we hit .NET. Watch run. Okay, the application should be running and the database should have been created. Okay, it's now running. Okay, once we go back to our SQL, we just minimize this and then refresh. Customer DB should be there, including the tables, the customer, and the membership. So to summarize, we have extended our host by adding the migrate database command. So every time we download the code and run the application, it should run the latest migration to our database. Also, don't forget to add the migrate database in the host builder. Remember that we are all learning here, so if you have a better approach, just let me know. I'd gladly update or create an alternative approach. That's it for this video. Please hit the like button if you learned something new. Consider subscribing to get our latest update. And comment below for the topics you would like to be discussed. Thank you and good day.